What is up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to this week in my life. Prep with me for New York. We leave on Thursday night. We're sleeping in Montreal, and then we're leaving from Montreal all the way to New York, and I am so excited. I've been looking forward for this trip since August because that's when we booked it, and it is Christmas time right now. Like, Christmas is literally in like 13 days, I think, which is insane. So it's gonna be like peak Christmas vibes in New York, and I'm so excited. I'm so ready for it. This is like a bucket list moment for me, so very excited about that. And this week we need to prep in advance because when we went to Boston, I was so last minute that I was stressing out. I was not okay. Alex and I literally got in a fight the day that we were leaving, like the night before we were leaving, because I was so stressed. It was like nothing on his part. It was really typically just me. It was honestly just me because I was so stressed out that I was like snapping at every small thing, and it was not even his fault. Like, it was literally all about me, and we don't want to redo of that because that was not pleasant. Like, leaving for a trip and not being in a good mood is just not fun. So I am learning from that experience and taking some advance this week. So today's Monday. I'm gonna vlog Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and probably Thursday. However, I do want to edit this vlog before leaving for New York, and I want it up on Friday, and I don't want to travel with my laptop. So I want to leave my laptop home, so I need to edit this on Thursday before we leave and have it ready to go for Friday. So we'll see how the week goes, and hopefully it goes in my favor and I'm able to do that. But we'll see. Okay, so one of the first things that I really need to do, and I need to do it right now because if I don't do it right now, I'm literally not gonna do it, is wash my makeup brushes. I don't do this nearly as often as I should. Also, my hair looks kind of crazy right now. It's kind of dirty, but we're just dealing with it. I'm washing it tonight, so it is what it is. But yeah, I really need to wash them, so we're gonna do that right now because if I don't do it right now, I'm not gonna do it at all, and I don't plan on putting any makeup on this week, so they'll be all clean for New York. So this is the cleaning like mix that I have for my makeup brushes, beauty blender, all of that. It is the Deep Clean Brush and Sponge Shampoo from Sephora. So I'm going to use this, wash my makeup brushes, beauty blender, all of that right now, and let that dry throughout the day and try to figure out what to do with my hair because it kind of looks crazy in this lighting. So not amazing, but much better than what it was before. The good thing is that I only have like one makeup brush and my beauty blender that I use all the time, but I am gonna wash like the 3 other brushes that I have that I literally never use, but we're gonna wash them since we're already washing the rest. Okay, makeup brushes are all clean. You guys, that was disgusting. I really needed to clean them. So feels really good to have them all clean. I'm gonna let them dry out. I think they take like a good while to dry, so I'm gonna leave them here for a bit to keep an eye on them because I know the cats will probably want to play with them. But yeah, especially my beauty blender. I know they'll want to play with my beauty blender, so I'll just keep an eye on them, let them dry, and then put them away. But that's one good thing done today. What is up, you guys? It is Tuesday, and today we're starting to plan out my outfits for New York, especially because tonight I'm going to the mall and I want to get maybe a few things, not too many. Like, I'm not gonna go excessive. Like, I'm looking for one thing in particular, and if I can't find that, like, I'm not gonna purchase anything. But I do need to know, or at least get an idea of what my outfits are gonna be for New York, so that's what we're doing today. Okay, so I've got all of my clothes that I'm thinking of bringing out, and then I might pick a few other items just to like create my outfit. So we've got my coats over here, my pants over there, accessories here, and then I've got 2 tops out that I think I want to bring. So let's start creating some outfits and see what works and what doesn't. Okay, so this outfit is inspired by Pinterest, and I don't think I like it on me. So it was like a black shirt with denim and like white sneakers with like the socks peeking out, and like I don't hate it, but I know that I wouldn't feel like myself in this outfit, so I feel like just because of that, it's gonna have to be a no. One thing about these outfits is that I really want to be strategic, because if I'm bringing multiple coats, they're gonna take so much room in my luggage. So Like right now I have 3 coats out. Obviously I'd be wearing one on me when we leave, so I'd only have 2 in my luggage, but I want to be strategic and I don't want to bring, especially coats, that's just one thing that I don't want to have to bring one if I know that I'm not going to wear it. So I really do want to like think these outfits through before being like, sure, let's just pack anything. So we'll see. I'm gonna go into an outfit that like I know I want to wear, but I just need to figure like one thing out. So I'm gonna get into that outfit right now. So obviously I'm wearing the effortless pants since I did get them mostly for this trip. Like I'm gonna get use out of them during Christmas time, but I really did want to get them before this trip, so definitely gonna get use out of them. Now I am gonna be wearing a coat most of the day, but when I take my coat off I want my outfit to look cute, and I'm kind of liking this black top with the effortless pants, and I love like the all black moment. So I think this is a yes, and then let me show you how I'm going to style this outfit. Okay, so this is the initial thought. I'm going to like crop my my puffer and tuck it in so that I get like that nice silhouette from the puffer instead of having it go all the way down here. Just like if it was a shorty puffer, I think the shorty puffer would look great, but I'm not going to purchase a shorty puffer just for this one look. And then we're doing the Uggs with the effortless pants, which I'm obsessed with. Also, don't mind the hanger on the floor, I just need to pick it up. But yeah, I think this is a winner. I think I'm gonna have to take the hood off, like the hood part of this, because it's kind of throwing me off and I'm not liking it as much with the hood on. And especially if it's not raining, then I see no issue with taking the hood off. So I think that's definitely going to be a possibility of what I'm going to do. But other than that, I think this outfit is kind of cute, casual, and I like it. Okay, so I just threw on like a blazer just on top of like the black crop with like a scarf and a little beanie. And I think this is kind of cute as well. I just don't think it's warm enough. I think I'd literally be freezing with this outfit on, but it's definitely a look. But since we're walking around and I don't want to get too cold, like I don't want to get cold at all, like I want to be comfortable, I think the puffer is the safe choice. And then I can also do it like without the beanie. And I feel like the beanie just ties in the outfit. It's kind of cute. I like it, but we'll see. Picking out outfits is hard, you guys. Okay, so this is definitely another outfit that I want to do. The Uggs, the jeans, and then this puffer. I just think this is such a cute little moment. I don't know if I want to add a hat or not. But I think I'll definitely bring a hat option for this. But if my hair is looking good that day, then maybe I'll just stick to like this outfit, no hat, because it will, like, it's not gonna be that cold. So I'm like, I might not even need a beanie or a hat or anything like that. So I just want to keep that in mind. But this is another option, and I think it's really, really cute. I love the Uggs with the jeans and the puffer. I just think the whole outfit is really, really cute. Definitely not like New York, but very cute and comfy and trendy. Okay, so we've also got this outfit that I think is much more up my alley. So it's a cream turtleneck with denim, the Uggs, and then this cream like wool coat over top. It's not too warm, not too cold. I can definitely dress it up with a beanie or with a scarf. I think a scarf would look really cute. So yeah, I think this outfit is cute, but let me just go see it in different lighting. The lighting in my bedroom is kind of weird right now. I feel like the lighting here is a lot better. What do you guys think? Like, this is so out of my comfort zone, but I do think that it's really cute with the Uggs, the coat. I kind of like it. I kind of like it. I'm just like stressed to wear it for the first time because it's so like out of my comfort zone. But I do think like this is really cute. And it's very New York. So I feel like this could work. Okay, so I just switched my sweater and I put this little cropped sweater from H&M. And I'm actually in love with this little look right here. I think I prefer this better than the turtleneck. If I want to take the coat off, it looks nice. And I always love when shirts like are cropped like right here near my belly button, because that's like the most flattering like style on me. So I like this. So I want one really comfy outfit, and I think this is going to be for the day that we get there because we're traveling that day and I just want to be comfy while traveling. So I'm gonna do leggings, and then like I'm gonna wear them, and I'm probably gonna bring like another pair for when we come back home for like the trip back home. My dilemma is my Uggs. I love wearing my Uggs. I am so scared to destroy them by wearing them for so long during a full weekend. And that is stressing me out so much. Because like this is a really cute outfit, but this is like an outfit that I would wear at home. But it's comfy and I'm very like I like it. I'm comfortable in this. I would spend a day in this. But like my Uggs, will they get destroyed? And they're expensive and also out of stock, and I don't want them to be ruined for the entire winter because we're just at the beginning of winter. So I'm like, I don't know what to do, and that's why I'm going shopping tonight, because I want to try to find a pair of black boots that I could maybe wear instead of my Uggs. Like, I'd wear my Uggs maybe like 2 out of the 4 days, and then the black boots the other 2 days. Okay, so I keep like throwing outfits on, so my hair looks kind of crazy, but I'm having such a hard time figuring out my outfits for New York. Also, it's very, very bright right now. Yeah, I'm just having such a hard time. Like, I don't want it to be like too much out of my comfort zone. I want to feel like myself, but I also kind of want to take pictures in New York. But at the same time, I'm trying not to get too bothered with that, because if I'm wearing stuff that I feel confident in, then the pictures are going to look good and they're going to turn out great. And like, I don't know how many pictures I'm going to take. I might just take like 2 or 3, which is not a lot. So, and it might be in like the same outfit but different like scenes or like different type of pictures. Anyways, I'm just like, I'm rambling on right now. I'm just having such a hard time figuring out my outfits, and I don't want to bring too many. I just want to be practical. So all right, you guys, we made it to the mall. We're here with my cousin and Bryce. Like, when was the last time these two were in a vlog?
It's crazy.
The vlog. I was able to figure out a few other outfits, but I desperately need to like do a little bit of shopping and see if I can find anything else. But I actually got some of their advice on some outfits, and they turned out pretty cute, so I'm very excited. I'll show you guys tomorrow because like it's literally dark now. But yeah, we're out shopping. We're gonna see what we end up finding. You guys, I wasn't gonna buy anything or try anything on in Aritzia, but look at what I found. I found the Cozy Mega cargo sweatpants in the Heather Cloud white color. I don't know if I mentioned this, but I was going to get them during the Aritzia clientele sale, and I actually ordered them, but they ended up never shipping. They were out of stock and they had to cancel my order. And they're literally in stock in store right now in my size. So I'm trying them on, and I'm literally wearing my matching top. So I'm like, oh my god. All right, so here we go. They're super cute, but I'm not gonna get them because I'm not obsessed. So very happy that I tried them on, and happy that I'm not purchasing anything else from Aritzia, because I definitely don't need to, especially right before I go to New York, because I know I'm gonna be spending there. What do you guys think? Should I get these? I don't know, but they're kind of cute. I could definitely have a Blair Waldorf moment with these in New York. What do you guys think? Like, this screams Blair Waldorf, right? Especially with all like the rhinestones on it. We love a good Blair Waldorf moment. Although I'm not wearing the outfit to have a Blair Waldorf moment. Okay, I'm back home. Didn't end up buying anything. I'm so happy that I got to try on the sweatpant from Aritzia, the cargo sweatpants. Like, I was so sad when I didn't get them, but I'm so happy I got to try them. I got to see the fit of them, and overall I just decided not to get them because I wasn't obsessed with how they looked on me. I feel like they look so good on other people, and I just didn't like them on me. Good morning. It is Thursday morning. I didn't end up vlogging yesterday because honestly I didn't do that much yesterday for like prepping. I did do like a little bit of tidying up around the apartment, but nothing too crazy that I felt like vlogging. I just like tidied up a little bit, did a lot of laundry, and that's pretty much it. But this morning we are being productive. I've got my like luggage situation figured out. I know I said I would show you guys one of the outfits that I wanted to wear. However, the sweater that I'm wearing for that outfit was in the wash and it's still damp right now, so I guess you're just gonna have to wait and see in the New York vlog what the outfit looks like. But yeah, we've got like a whole thing going on this morning. So we've got all of my clothes is out right here. I've got like my shoes, backpack, my puffer, and then in the bathroom I've got all of my things that I need to bring: hair products, face products, makeup, all of that. And the apartment is very clean right now. I've got a few last things to do, but I think we're gonna be like ready to go as soon as I'm done work, because I do work until 5:30 today, and then we leave for Montreal, and then tomorrow morning we leave for New York. So very, very excited. Like, I can't wait, and I'm very happy with how productive I was this week and all the stuff that I got done this week. Very proud of myself. So not much left to do. I have to make sure the dishwasher is empty before we leave, finish up the laundry because there's just a few things that are left to fold. It's all clean though, so I just have to fold them and put them away. I want to vacuum the apartment, pack the bags, like officially pack everything, but everything is out, so I just have to pack it. And that's like pretty much it. Make sure the cats have enough food. My cousin is coming all weekend to take care of them, so that's pretty much it. So The camera just cut me off, but I think I'm gonna end this vlog here. It's pretty much the end of the week and I really do want to get this vlog up and ready for Friday, so tomorrow. Anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. So be on the lookout for the next 2 videos. It's gonna be a pack with me vlog as well as a travel day to New York and then our full New York vlog. Very, very excited. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.